Hi, hello, this is Indra again with you, and today I'm gonna show you how to change the coolant for Nissan Altima 2011. Yeah. So this 2011 Altima, it has 279,000 as of now. Yeah. So a friend of mine bought it second hand with nearly 250,000 just recently, a couple months back. So now, just part of cheap maintenance, I'm gonna change the coolant. So one of the reason I not flushing the coolant is it's not easy. I mean the resources is not easy. It's a bit more need more effort to do the flushing, yeah. And just changing the coolant, it will remove let's say 60 to 70% of the coolant itself, yeah. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna jack up the car, and we're just gonna be open the small top from button and let the coolant out from the engine, yeah. So this is the engine coolant that we're gonna use, premix, so you don't have to mix with water again, yeah. It's 4 liter 1 can. I got 2 from my previous car, so it might get 5 liter tops, yeah. And the next day we're just gonna monitor again if the water level going down. So I got the car up, just a little bit up, and it's almost dark here, yeah. It's about 7 o'clock here. So if you go down, so next to the passenger side, yeah, if you can see that one, I think it's a bit backlight, yeah. Alright, so this is gonna be the what you call it, yeah, the one that we're gonna take it out, yeah. So we're gonna use the screwdriver. We will loosen it up, yeah. It's okay, just let me hold it this way. Okay, so the coolant is out. We're just gonna wait until it's all down, yeah. And in the meanwhile, if you see, I still the one on the top is still closed, yeah. You can remove the caps. So once the caps remove, that one will be more the water from down will be more pressure, yeah. Okay, let's open it, yeah. And make sure that you do these things when the engine is cold, yeah. Look at that, see, if you see the color is green, it's perfectly fine, everything is okay. So that's why I'm not flushing it. I'm just change the water on there. You can also inspect the radiator cap, yeah. It's the caps, yeah. Look at for the seal. If there's any crack or anything, you can change it as well, yeah, just to make sure that the seal is in a good condition. Alright, the water is almost done now, just slowly drip. So we just gonna screw back the plug and then refill the water from the top. So this is the plug look like, yeah. So we're just gonna screw this one back to the top, yeah. Alright, we're gonna put direct to the main tank, yeah. We don't put from the reservoir coolant, yeah. And if we check inside also, it's nice green, there's no some strange object. Okay, so I got the funnel. I'm just gonna put the funnel in. Slowly I will put the coolant, yeah. Okay, don't forget to fill the second reservoir as well, yeah. Once the main radiator tank is full, we refill this one as well, and check the water level again in the morning, yeah. Okay. Alright, so it's done. You can start and switch on your engine. Wait for a moment, just see if there is anything not normal. If fine, just done. And check in the morning, maybe the water level goes down. If it goes down, and just add more coolant water. Alright, thank you for watching, and see you again next time in the next video. Ciao.